The Husqvarna Automower is not just a lawnmower. It is a robotic concept that will give you the perfect lawn, whilst giving you more free time. To make it understandable how it works, we installed Husqvarna Automower in a large yard. We will explain how Automower works, how the installation is done, how the mower cuts all the grass, that it can handle almost any yard, why the grass quality improves so much, and finally, anti-theft and safety features. Basically, Husqvarna Automower consists of three parts: the mower, the charging station, and the boundary wire. Husqvarna Automower works inside an electronic fence created by a loop signal sent from the charging station through the boundary wire. When Automower comes close to the wire, it detects the signal, stops, and continues in another direction. Husqvarna Automower works fully automatically. When batteries run low, it has several ways that will ensure it always returns to the charging station. It could follow a radio signal sent from the charging station. It can follow a guide wire. And it can also follow the boundary wire back to the charging station. When the battery is fully charged, it returns to work without your intervention. A robotic mower requires time for installation. However, this is a one-time effort that will give you a more or less maintenance-free lawn for many years. You can do the installation yourself, but the most convenient way is to let your dealer do the job. They use a cost-effective tool that places the wire a few inches underground and have experience in all kinds of challenges from other yards. The boundary wire is laid around the yard, ensuring that Automower will never work outside this area. The wire can also be placed around flower beds and other areas you don't want to be mowed. When you place the wires close to each other on the way back, the signal is canceled and the robotic mower will pass. Then you have created what we call islands. Husqvarna Automower has a collision sensor. When it hits something, it will stop and change direction. As it is designed to regularly handle gentle bumps, obstacles like trees and walls don't always need to be fenced by the boundary wire. If you have remote areas with narrow passages, guide wires can be laid there to guide the robotic mower through the passage. Some models are also assisted by GPS navigation. We started the robotic mower on highest cutting height. As you can see, the mower works in a free movement pattern. This movement pattern will efficiently let the mower find every challenging corner of the yard. Under bushes, benches, between trees, everywhere. Generally, after 2 days, all grass is cut, depending on the size of your yard. Now we lower the cutting height. The mower can handle really rough terrain. Slopes, holes, and temporary obstacles like pine cones and fruits are not a problem. It is designed to work in rain, useful if you live in an area with regular rainfall. Husqvarna Automower is so quiet that it can work during the night without disturbing anyone. You will have total control of its working hours. For example, you can choose to let it work only at night, so you have the lawn for yourself whenever you like. You can use the display on the mower or the app, Automower Connect. Husqvarna have more than 20 years of experience of robotic mowers and have refined the technology over time. As a result, Husqvarna Automower is very reliable, which is important for the concept. If you leave your house for longer periods, you can be confident that the lawn will still be maintained while you are away. After a week, you can already see a big difference in the yard. All grass is cut and will never grow tall again. It is now the Automower concept begins. The robot mower will now continue to work and constantly cut the grass as it grows, but just a few fractions of an inch at a time. This is by far the most gentle way to cut grass, and the concept keeps moss away. Before, you probably cut the lawn when the grass was too high and you took off a few inches. You might have used a collector to get rid of the clippings. However, this removes any natural goodness from the soil. The clippings from Husqvarna Automower are only fractions of an inch long. They will fall to the soil, decompose, and serve as natural nutrition for your lawn. Since Husqvarna Automower works with razor-sharp blades, the grass is cut with a fine edge, which also helps improve the grass quality. There are two schools of cutting systems. One use a heavy and massive steel blade with high kinetic energy that tear off the grass. Automower is equipped with Husqvarna safety blades. They are very strong but thin, has a low weight, and are pivoting. When they hit a hard obstacle, they just fold away. Automower has several sensors. When lifted, the cutting disc stops. And whatever it runs into, the sensors will stop the mower and it will continue in another direction. Husqvarna Automower is protected from theft in several ways. A PIN code is required for any intervention. An alarm will immediately sound if the code ignores when the mower is stopped or lifted. It is useless when stolen, as it can't be matched to other charging stations, and when reported stolen, it will be red listed in all support. Some models have a built-in geofence. If brought outside your home, the alarm will go off and will automatically send tracking data. Husqvarna has a wide range of robotic mowers that suit small to large yards. All have the same clever technology and capability to handle complex yards. In short, when you install a Husqvarna Automower, you will enjoy an almost maintenance-free lawn that is nice looking and healthy all year round.